Welcome. In this brief review of Sunday Scaries, we will address all the most relevant points of this CBD store. I will even be sharing an exclusive 20% off coupon during this video for you who are subscribed here on this channel. So watch the video in full to get this discount and know all the positives and negatives of this brand, and make sure you are making a good choice when buying at Sunday Scaries. Hello, my name is Amelia. I'm a pharmacist and I've been using CBD for over a year, and I created this channel to share everything about the CBD universe. And if you like the CBD theme, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to be notified in real time of new store reviews and new content about CBD. Sunday Scaries is a store well known by CBD consumers in the United States, and about their reputation we can say that consumers love this brand even though they are young in the market, and this is justified by the comments on the products of this brand, which are always high and with excellent notes. Sunday Scaries is one of the CBD's brands that has the most CBD certificates and quality and safety seals, and all its raw materials come from KND Labs, which are located in Denver, Colorado. About the transparency of this store, they are very transparent with their customers, exposing in each of their products what the customer will get, how to use, concentration, and all ingredients available in each formulation. In addition, they make available the complete analysis reports of each product, from the raw material to the packed product, and Sunday Scaries is recognized for being extremely careful with the quality of the planting of hemp plants, ensuring a superior quality product. Unfortunately, Sunday Scaries does not have a vast category of different and diversified products. However, it focuses on offering the basics well done, where many other companies in the CBD business leave a lot to be desired by offering several products with inferior quality. Despite the small variety of products, Sunday Scaries is the leader in quality. The brand also is focused on offering only one type of CBD, that is broad-spectrum CBD, while all products except CBD gums have only one level of power. And now I will pass you the discount coupon that is valid this month. Below this video has a link with a discount coupon already applied, and you can still use this that I am sharing now with you here on the screen, but will only work with a link below this video. The extra coupon is CBD20 Life to get 20% off, and so you can save even more. On top of all this, Sunday Scaries is offering free shipping over $69. I hope you enjoyed this review of Sunday Scaries. Is now appearing next to two videos. One I am recommending you to the right, and the other the YouTube itself is recommending you. Surely you will like this content. See you in the next video.